See here, these are three lamps or bulbs with resistances R1, R2 and R3, and their powers are P1, P2 and P3. Now they are supplied equal voltage. Why? Because they are connected in parallel. For parallel combination, the effective resistance 1 by R equivalent is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3. Can this is 1 by R3. See here, I am multiplying each and every term with V. Then you will get V square by R equivalent is equal to V square by R1 plus V square by R2 plus V square by R3. In this situation, this V square by R equivalent is effective power of this combination is equal to V E square by R1 P1, V square by R2 P2 plus P3 and so on, if you connect some more bulbs. If you observe carefully, in parallel combination, if you connect bulbs or any components, the effective power will be increased. So, in order to dissipate more power, we have to use the parallel combination. For example, if you connect n identical bulbs in parallel, what is the effective power? P effective in parallel combination can be taken as Pp is equal to Np, P plus P plus P plus P plus so on up to N. For example, if you observe carefully, in this situation, in parallel combination, we are given that P is equal to V square by R. V is a constant feature, then P inversely proportional to R. So that here power will be more if resistance is less. So here in parallel combination, as we have already known that resistance R equal to V square by P. If power is more, resistance is less. If the resistance of the bulb is less, then it is high wattage bulb. If the resistance of the bulb is more, then it is low wattage bulb. So in parallel combination, high wattage bulb glows brighter than low wattage bulb. It is very important. For example, if you take a bulb of 50 watt, a bulb of 60 watt and a bulb of 100 watt connected in parallel, which bulb glows brighter? The 100 watt bulb glows brighter in parallel combination. Now, I am going to discuss about the series combination of such bulbs. See, this is a bulb of power P1, another bulb of power P2, and just like that P3. They are connected in the same path. That is why series combination of bulbs. See, if the bulbs are connected which are having resistances R1, R2, R3 and so on. In such a combination, the effective resistance or equivalent resistance is R equivalent is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3 plus so on. And if they are given individually same voltage, just like this, R equivalent by V square, that is 1 by P effective, is equal to 1 by P1 plus 1 by P2 plus 1 by P3 plus so on. If you connect only two bulbs in series, the effective power can be given by P1, P2 by P1 plus P2. In this series combination, if the filament of any one of the bulb is put off, what happens? There is no current in the entire circuit, so that every bulb will be switched off. That is the main defect of this series combination. In series combination, current is same in all parts of the circuit. As we have already known, if resistance and current are given, power P is equal to I square R. See here, current is a constant one. So that you can take that the power is proportional to resistance. More resistance, more power. Less resistance, less power. More resistance means low wattage bulb. That means in series combination, a low wattage bulb glows brighter than the high wattage bulb. That is very important, which we have to keep in mind. In parallel combination, high wattage bulb glows brighter, but in series combination, low wattage bulb glows brighter. That means here this bulb is with 50 watt, this is with 60 watt and this is with 100 watt. Which bulb glows brighter? The bulb with more resistance glows brighter. So, in series combination, low wattage bulb glows brighter. If such an identical bulbs are connected in series, then you will get 1 by P effective or PS is equal to N by P, or P in series is equal to P by N. If you connect two identical bulbs in series, effective power P by 2. If you connect 3, P by 3. What is happened? The power is going on decreasing. So, series combination is used to minimize the dissipation of the power. But in our houses, we prefer more power dissipation. That means in household purposes, we use parallel combination of bulbs. In our houses, what are given? The wiring is made parallel. The wiring in houses is arranged in the form of parallel arrangement. And later we will go through the problems. In minutes.